Clifford, the Big Red Dog. Phonics Fun Reading Program. Art Class. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth. We're going to have lots of fun learning how to read. I hope you like the story, Art Class. It's about a time when I couldn't think of what to make in class, but somehow Clifford gave me an idea. In this story, we are learning about the bull, call, and pull sounds. Here are some words to sound out. Bull, call, pull, black, class, plane, block, clay, blue, clock. These are words you will see in this story and in many, many other stories. You will want to learn them. Over, no. These are some fun words that you will see in this story. Window, things, fly, wait. Art class. Emily Elizabeth is in class. Take a block of clay, says Miss Carrington. See what you can make with it. I will make a jet plane, says Charlie. Then I will fly it. I will make a box, says Jetta. I can keep my things in it. I don't know what to make, says Emily Elizabeth. I just don't know. Tick-tock, ticks the clock. Emily Elizabeth's block of clay is on her desk. Who is outside? Hi, Clifford, Emily Elizabeth says. Wait for me. Class will be over soon. Then Emily Elizabeth knows what to do with her clay. She gets more blocks of clay. This is fun, she says. Let's see what you all made, says Miss Carrington. There is Charlie's blue and black plane. There is Jetta's box. And there is Clifford! Clifford, the Big Red Dog. Learn to read with Clifford and his friends. In this story, we are learning about the bull, call, and pull sounds.